Let's talk about the blue light. Blue light is in everything. It's in light bulbs, it's in your phone, it's in television. So any light exposure is going to have blue light in it. So we had you activate the blue light in your electronic devices, and then the blue light glasses will prevent you from getting it from your regular light bulb, and it'll prevent you from getting it from like televisions. And then if you activate it on your computer, you'll be good. So that's important, because what happens is that blue light, it tells your brain that it's daylight, and so it causes you to produce daytime hormones at night. So what you need to do is at sunset around 8, you start wearing them in the evening time. And then what happens is now you're not getting the blue light exposure, so your body is saying, hey, it's night, let's produce these nighttime hormones. So now you're producing these nighttime hormones, and then when it's time for bed, you take the melatonin and you start your wind down practice. Now when you lay in bed at 10, shortly afterwards, you're able to get to sleep a lot faster. So I want to spend this next week getting back to all of the basics, because these are the foundations that we're going to build on.